Look at this. This is my favorite. Oh, there's chopsticks. Oh my god. I love chopsticks very much. And they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh my god. I want to use it now. Oh. I love you, Papa. Thank you very much for this gift and this box. Thank you very much. I love you. Yes, a notebook. I'm excited. Oh my god, it's so shiny. Look at this. Oh my god. First time. This is so nice. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay. It's very nice. I love it. The water bottle. I just used it from school today, but my mom is angry as I put it some stickers. Yes. And I'm sorry, Mama. I'm so sorry. Next one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This is a face mask. Oh my god. How do I open it? I love this. I just love it. I love it, but I hate the color blue. I want the color purple, but it's okay. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh wait, it has a hanger? Wait. What?
Hanger?
Oh no. There, it's hanger. Oh no. Pass me scissors. Okay. There. What? What? Oh my god. Oh wow, it's small? What? Oh, it's perfect. I love it. Next one. The button. Wait.
Go.
So this is my next.
Little bit small. Pumibigay mong suso, wala na.
Big suso. What is big suso? Anyway.
Talaga?
Next one.
Bala, ano?
Tung tung tung.
Talikod.
This is my next one.
Pag-hood ko na nak.
Huh?
You hood.
Oh no.
Taro nga po na imong buhok. I'm a gaga puchikong. I got a Louis Vuitton. Na 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 na. I made you look. I made you look. Nando?
This is my next shoot.
Talikod. Wow. Ang gulo na. Taro po. Picture ta picture. Tarong po, ana. Tarong nga ba? Ano ba? Okay.
No. Esa.
Okay. Tarong dito, urong dito. I-picture. Pero nga po, makita imong karang diri saya pikas. Diri pikas. Paana, ana. nasaya ha, oy. Ayusin mo. It's, sa likod. Baby picture. Hugot na.
Patol kayo.
Diyan na, ano ba tingin?
Next! So, this is my
Balik sa na imo mga pagkaon. Mga pagkaon tanong
This is my next one.
Nya na.
Ah!
So ito yung mga laman. Seaweed. It's a wallet. Save it again. Choco bananas. Na. Gummy chocolate na something. Wallet. So, ayan. Ano to? Ayan. Ito. May KitKat pa na strawberry. Ayan. Mga laman. So, ayan guys. Yan hinihintay ng anak ko. Umabot ang isang buwan sa kakaantay niya. So, we have a money also there. So, wallet niya. So, ayan guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!
Also ni Orbeez.
Wow.
From Orbeez. Uy, ani isa. Dala ko isa.
Dili, lagi. Dire na nadura ka makuha.
Wala ko ilangaw.
Ay ba?
Ah, bale, walang sigaw.
Sige. Ay, butang lagi.
Then, kaya ako mata ni.
Ganon ata. Yan.
Akala tanan mo siga.
Oo daw. Pero wala na daw. Wala na yung siga ni
Sa ball.
Murag isa ray ball.
Duha!
Hmm?
Duha! Napo ni nga ni. Napo sulod ani. Napo.
Ano siya ball?
Oy, ma'am! Ganun lang. Nasaan mo?
Ang uso
Ra,
na
oh,
din ron.
turang isa.